Hello Fuji, ngayon tapos na ang ating pork menudo. Here it is. To start, I will introduce you to our ingredients. Bello. So, hi ingredients. So we'll have the patatas, carrots, onion, garlic, onion. Don't worry, hindi rin naubusin to. Tomato paste for intense punchy flavor. So, as usual, Filipino hot dog. I'll have the liver, pork liver, atay, and the pre-cooked pork belly. So, let's begin. Heat our pan. Initin natin ang kawali. So, we'll start with our gulay, patatas. We'll just fry them. Carrots. Prituhin lang natin siya until we get the French fries flavor. After we fry our potatoes and carrots, set aside. Now we fry our hot dog. Piprituhin natin yung hotdog para hindi siya soupy yung flavor niya. After natin ma-fry, look at that. Set aside. Now, we will cook our tomato paste. So, bakit i-cook ang tomato paste? Para hindi siya masyadong matapang at maging pungent ang kanyang smell, but magiging flavorful siya dahil niluto mo natin siya. So para tumibay na rin yung ating menudo. Tibay yung menudo natin kapag lutong-luto yung ating tomato paste. So we start with our aromatics. So meron tayong sibuyas. After that, we'll add bawang. Add a little bit of oil. Ooh, punchy. So we'll put now our tomato paste. So we'll add water lang sa ating tomato paste. Let's see. Pag na-coat na yung ating pork, I'll add na patis, seasoning, then we'll add water. After, we'll add the carrots, tomato. Halo ko na yung ating hotdog, carrots, and potato. So, add na lang tayo ng, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating pork liver. Pork liver natin, boil muna siya, and then we cut it. We'll add a little bit of patis, pepper, brown sugar. We'll let it boil. Our finale ingredients is the peppers. So, subukan na natin ang ating hot menudo. Wait lang. Tapos na ang ating pork menudo. Here it is. Ooh la la. Kailangan ko yung pagka-fry nung ating patatas. Sorry. So, there you go. You can try to cook our version of pork menudo. Simple lang siya. Hindi siya masyadong complicated for me. But it brings back all the memories I have when I was a child. You'll never get wrong with it. So you must try it. Okay? Bye-bye, Foodsie!